Wesley, move away. I want to see her standing up here. Good job, Vivian. Now see if we can play some. Okay, dance. We going to dance? Hold on. We going to dance? Wesley, we can't see Vivian if I want to. We want to see her dance. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. Yeah. You going to dance, Vivian? I can't get you some music on here.
Let's go shop. It's music time.
Let's see. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. Okay.
Oh, my shopping cart.